Alright guys, welcome back to my channel again. Once again, today I'm going to show you step by step how you can get your VidiQ Pro for free. And all you have to do is just a 3-step. The first step, we're going to create our account. We're going to get an email, a disposable email from one website. Secondly, we're going to create our account on a VidiQ. And finally, we're going to get our Pro or Boost plan for free, which I'm going to walk you through step by step in this video. So all you have to do is to come over and enter your browser. To do now is to enter the website that you're going to get this disposable email. Just type thinkmail.io, thinkmail.io. Click it, enter. Yeah, just click the first one that you see here. Click it and make sure I hope you are seeing the name thinkmail.io. Click it, hit enter. Right now I'm on my thinkmail.io. Look up. Look, this is the email. Note you can still change it. If you come here like this, you can change it. Look at change, you can change it, but trust me, I'm not going to do that. All you have to do now is to click here. All this thing do is to help you to prevent a spam message. That is the function of this website. So I'm going to click here and get the email and enter our VidiQ. Right now I've copied my email, so what I have to do now is to open new tab and go to vidiq.com. So scroll down and paste the email here. You copy from the template, paste the email here. Make sure you don't forget your password. The best thing, that's why I would advise you to get a notepad or your notes and jot everything down. Jot your password down in a secure place. So the next thing now is to click here and sign up. So right now, all I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my YouTube account, which is here. Just click it and add your YouTube account. Yeah, VidiQ want to access your Google account. This will allow VidiQ view monetary and non-monetary YouTube analytic reports. Just click here, allow. We trust them, that is why we need them. Allow. You can see this confirm your email. So I'm going to go over to the website. We just get our fake email and confirm my email. First step, confirm your email address by clicking the link in the email we sent to. You see the email here. So let me just go on and confirm the email right now. Yeah, as you can see our email. VidiQ confirmation email. See, hello, you are someone else have created VidiQ account. So all you have to do is to click it and confirm the email. Yeah, done. So I'm going to go over to my VidiQ and continue my account creation. Yeah, the second thing you are going to do is to subscribe to VidiQ in order, because you need this. If you're a newbie, you need it so that you get tips. But trust me, I'm not going to do that one now. Secondly, you're going to watch this and get there how they are working on. You please do it as I just put it. Follow this step and do it. So after you just do those ones, all you have to do now is to scroll down. You see VidiQ Pro. Trust me, we are not going for Pro, we are going for something better, because going for Pro, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. See, when you reach here, make sure you add your keyword. So after adding up your keyword, let me just add some keyword, some random keyword. See, upgrade to boost. Click it. Please, if you know you are new to this channel, before we go on to the main part, please turn on the smash that subscribe button and go over to the inbox and type hashtag show me how to get VidiQ Pro my tip web. Show me how to get VidiQ Pro my tip web. So after you do that, that is not just give me a like in this video if this video is making sense to you. Thank you as you do. So all you have to do now, see what you are going to get. 50 daily video idea. Trust me, all this thing work. You need it. All the greatest future proof user get AI recommendation. Wow. See, optimizing video with priority. Wow. So after you just do, all you have to do now is to click here, upgrade to boost plan. Pay attention, this is where some people usually get problem. Pay attention. You see, promo code are not eligible with PayPal. So here we are going to use our master card. And secondly, pay attention to here having a promo code. Pay attention to it. Click it. You see the way? Click here, having a promo code. Click it. We're going to put our promo code. Yeah, the promo code I'm going to put here, just put audit, AUDITS, audit. Hope you can see it. You see the way I leave it so that you can see it where. Then click here, click here, this small green thing, click it. If the promo code is valid, I will show you. Wow. Subscription and cancel. We take an extra step to confirm your card is valid by sending a small charge. So all you have to do now is to make sure that this place is -0 and here is 0 USD. Make sure everything is like that, because if it's not 0, you're going to lose your money. So just put your card detail here, here like this. So guys, all you can see, I've already filled up my own detail. You see, here is your card number, here is the month and the year. So the month, you just put the day, then and the year. Don't put like, as we're in 2023 now, you're not going to put 2020, just put 23 here. While here you're going to put your CV. So your CV is all, most of the MasterCard, they're always at the back. I don't know the country, how your own country, but Nigeria, they're always at the back. So put it there. After you just put it there, click checkout. So guys, if you find this video very helpful, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification bell, so whenever I drop a video like this, you'll be the first to see it. And secondly, go on to the and give me a like in this video, please. And finally, go on and turn on. Thank you for watching too. And please don't forget, whenever the month is close by, you know, this is the method we use promo code. So whenever it's close by, if it's like 28 days or 27 days, go on and cancel the subscription and follow this step by step. I just show you and create another account. That is all. You're good to go.